Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. We are so happy that you are here watching our video.
Today we are going to be decorating for fall. We showed you a couple of videos ago what we got, and today we are going to be putting them up with you. We hope you enjoyed this video.
Mine is perfect. It's so hard to decide. Oh, I know he got me good in his pocket. I know that I missed a treat. Well, the taste is better. Oh, go on, chewing my bones, and when he's done, he's spitting me out. I just can't help myself. One for the pain, no hesitation. Took us again, nothing can save us. Yeah, I just wanna be around you. I just wanna be free for the night, all in or nothing. Not gonna stop, dance till the morning light. I just wanna be around you. I just wanna be around you. He looks at me like I know what he's thinking, but I don't have a clue. True talent in avoiding conversation, yeah, it's almost rather cruel. Oh, I know he got me good in his pocket. I know that I missed a treat. Well, the taste is better. Oh, go on, chewing my bones, and when he's done, he's spitting me out. I just can't help myself. One for the pain, no hesitation. Took us again, nothing can save us. Yeah, I just wanna be around you. I just wanna be free for the night, all in or nothing. Not gonna stop, dance till the morning light. I just wanna be around you. I just wanna be around you. I just wanna be Share my lipstick, taste my breath, and love me like you love a pack of smokes in the morning. Share my lipstick, taste my breath, and love me like you love a pack of smokes in the morning. One for the pain, no hesitation. Took us again, nothing to save us. Yeah, I just wanna be around you. I just wanna be free for the night, all in or nothing. Not gonna stop, dance till the morning light. I just wanna be around you. I just wanna be around you. I just wanna be around you. I just wanna be
We are always checking underneath the couches because Junior tends to throw all his bouncing balls down here.
only got 4 pumpkin mats because we forgot that our table seats 6. So we improvised.
Wide awake is the way that you left me, side by side in your car in the backseat. Wide awake is the way that you left me. Oh, now it's clear we are here back at your house, and I keep fading into the background. I'm wide awake now, you keep missing out for sure. Take down your walls and let me ooh, ooh, ooh. Yeah, brick by brick now, let me ooh, ooh, ooh. I wanna be right there by your side, I wanna be there, won't you be mine? Take down your walls and let me, yeah, brick by brick now, let me ooh,
I just want to take this time to thank all of our subscribers for the continuous support. It truly means a lot to us. We will continue to make videos for you guys to enjoy, and if you have any ideas or want to see anything from us, go ahead and leave a comment down below.
yeah, brick by brick now, let me ooh, ooh, ooh. I wanna be right there by your side, I wanna be there, won't you be mine? Take down your walls and let me, yeah, brick by brick now, let me Won't you be mine? Won't you be mine? Won't you be mine?
So now we're just gonna be restocking and cleaning up our refrigerator. There were some things that needed to be put away, some things that needed to be thrown away, and then we also cleaned the shelves. So right here I'm restocking Junior's juices. Next to that I have Gatorades that were half empty, so I just went ahead and tossed those and replaced them with full Gatorades. I also restocked the water. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. And check out any of our other videos that we have. Until next time, thank you. Bye-bye.
Don't wanna be shy. I will let my guard down. Don't wanna be shy.